Hello everyone! The Holy Wholesome Life, and not a series from us. We are in a totally different setting this time. In Ireland. We are in Ireland. So today's recipe will be, I'm gonna make roasted thyme and garlic butternut squash. We roast it in the oven, and then we're gonna fill it with mushrooms, and we are doing a mushroom risotto and fill it with the risotto. It's absolutely amazing. I made it before and it's so tasty. So let's get ready! This is gonna be for 2 people, serving 2. So I have 4 pumpkins here, I have 4 butternut squashes, 2 onions, I have some garlic here, I have some coconut oil, I have some vegetable bouillon, organic, I have some tree-colored quinoa, pepper, Himalayan salt and thyme, and mushrooms of course, lots of mushrooms. So let's get ready, guys. So I cut them in half, and I'm gonna take the seeds out. I love this dish. When I had this the first time, I was so excited. And then the taste of it, oh my genie! I'm gonna peel some garlic now. Like I say, 4 garlic cloves or 5. Maybe 5. I love it. I mean, you can use as much garlic as you want, but I just love lots of garlic.
And why are you squashing the garlic cloves?
I crush them because then it's easier to peel them. Just be careful with your fingers here. You just do the fingers like this and not like this, or else you cut them. So with this you're guiding the knife. So the knife is really on your fingers and you cut it like this.
It's a vegan recipe, guys, so finger pieces is not really vegan, so we're not going to include that.
Yes, and take your time. You don't need to go fast like me. Just take your time like this. Is it so? Because let's be very excited. And just sprinkle it all over the pumpkin. And just use some Himalayan salt. And a little bit of pepper. Quite a bit of seasoning. Big piece of butternut squash. And the thyme, if you have fresh one, you can also use fresh one. I only use the dried one now. This is also amazing. Sprinkle it over. You put some garlic on top. This is amazing. And cut off the mushrooms. You don't have to be too perfect with it either. You just can cut like this and cut them in strips. And just sprinkle them over your pumpkin. And this later will create some nice mushroom water, I call it. And you have it here inside of it, and it's the flavor is just like amazing. Let's put them into the oven now. And after a while, I'm gonna also slice them a little bit. I'm gonna crisscross them so the flavors will go into the pumpkin even. But for now I put them into the oven and make them a little bit, cook them a little bit that they are soft. So put them in there now until they are soft and a little, then we can crisscross them after. Put them in.
How long do we put them in for?
Put them in like 40 minutes, I say, and then check again.
How many degrees?
How many degrees? Good question. 180. And we are starting making the risotto. 2 full spoons of this bouillon. Yeah, put it in there. And then boil the kettle with your water. Also, I would always recommend in the kitchen when you cook, have a kettle of boiling water there, ready to go. Because if you have hot water, then it goes much quicker than starting with cooking with cold water. Chopped 2 onions in little cubes, dice them. I dice them up right now. And in the same time you can actually put on the pot. Cut it in half. You always want that the vegetable don't roll around. Like if you cook like this, you have no whatsoever. You need a good base. So turn it around in the flat side, then it can't move. And you can just like that. Put them sideways. So you dice them up in cubes. Here again, you don't need to be perfect. Just dice them up roughly. I added the water, 800 milliliters approximately, with the bouillon, bouillon powder, and I just leave it here on low heat. You know, you don't need to boil it, just leave it there on low heat. And now the other pot is nearly heated. I put it a little bit higher, on 8, and I cut up the rest of the onion. I want to show them a little about our kitchen, show them a little bit around how we live and the window also. I don't know. Maybe.
Lovely. So we hang around here a lot in the kitchen, and yeah, it's just a very beautiful whitewashed kitchen, very Irish, simple, and yeah, we love it here. It's very warm. We've got out the guitars here, lovely 12-stringed instrument guitar. Guitar over here. There's the garden. Who's outside? There are 2 of the dogs. There they are. Hey guys! Hey fellas!
3 dogs, sorry.
3 dogs. Hey guys, how's it going? Alright. There they are. They're as mad as hatters. Especially that guy.
Now I'm gonna put the onions in now. The pot is hot now. Put the onions in. Nice. And I know I used already 6 cloves of garlic. I'm a little bit crazy with garlic. You don't have to be that crazy, but I just am.
We're garlic mad, so we are.
Yeah, so I use another little bit of garlic actually.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna give it a little stir, and also I'm gonna add some more thyme because I love it so much.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And what is this for again, Elisa?
This is for the mushroom risotto, for the 3-colored quinoa mushroom coconut risotto. We're gonna add now the 3-colored quinoa in a minute to the onions and garlic. And I just add a little bit of bouillon already. Just a little bit. Nice. This should be it. And then we add the quinoa. And I just measure them for you guys, so you have an idea what we put in here. basically everything as a 1 cup. Okay, I put in some bouillon. You can actually, yeah, I didn't put everything in, but I just add more in later. So let that cook away until it's soft. And you might need the rest of the bouillon later. Before we put on some 4 mushrooms, now another 4. And you're just gonna add them when the quinoa's ready on the end. That's what I mean. Once in a while you can stir. And after 40 minutes you take out the pumpkins. You just crisscross them a little. So the flavors come even more in it. Nice. Amazing. And after you're gonna stuff the pumpkins with the risotto. Okay guys, so the risotto is 3/4 ready, nearly ready, so I add the mushrooms. Okay, put them all into it. And you can leave them like this, kind of, just leave them, put the lid on and just cook it a little bit until the quinoa's ready. Then you can stir it with the coconut milk. Okay, my lovely friends, I add a little bit more bouillon because it's a little bit thick. Just a little to get the consistency right. And I would add another little bit of thyme, I have to say. So I just add a little bit more thyme. And then on the end, you put the coconut milk, the best part. And actually I tried before I put it in. That's amazing. And this also gonna be softened when you leave it there. The pumpkin is not ready yet, so it's gonna soften more while you're leaving it there. But for now we're just adding the last. Okay, the pumpkin, the butternut squash. The butternut squash is ready. It looks amazing. I actually crisscrossed it before I took it out because then all the flavors come in. So if you do it, just crisscross it like this. And then you get it out like this. And then I just use a little bit more of this coconut milk and make it more creamy. Creamy. Put the pumpkins or the butternut squash onto the plate. We put some spinach here, 2. Actually, we put 2 on 1 plate.
Because PJ is a hungry pumpkin.
He's a hungry pumpkin.
Such a hungry pumpkin.
Yes. And the spinach, we need the green leaves. Every day we try to eat lots of green leaves for the vitamin K and the vitamin A and the protein and the antioxidants. Oh. We're gonna fill this with this amazing risotto. This is the best. I'm telling you. I love it. And then on the decoration you can also put in a little bit of very anyway, you can decorate it also with herbs if you have any herbs. Actually, we do have herbs. We have fresh basil. Let's try to get fresh herbs. So I'm just using this lovely basil. I wash it a little bit. Voila. There you go. Pumpkin, roasted pumpkin, thyme and garlic, stuffed with mushroom coconut risotto.
Here it is.
Down the rocky road and all the ways to Double